안녕하세요, 여러분. 제 이름은 김락준입니다. 저는 오늘 코리안 어드밴스 그라머에 대해서 다고. Hello everyone, my name is Kim Lakjun. I will teach you today about Korean advanced grammar, that is dago. Dago. Da go. Okay. Plus phrase verb. Okay. Okay. So it is telling that okay. So it is telling that if the quoted sentence is in a declarative form, the quotation participle particle go is added after that sentence ended with the okay the okay. So it is telling that today's pattern is dago. Okay, dago. So it is that quoted sentence. Okay, is in a declarative form. The quotation particle. Okay, go is added after that sentence ended with the. Okay, let's learn through our example. Okay, first example. Mr. Rajiv or Mr. Kim. Mr. Kim is sad to be at home now. Okay. So how you will say this in Korean? Kim. Okay. Kim 선생님 지금 집에 계신다고 계신다고 합니다. 합니다. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Let's take another example. This is second example. Okay. I heard that he had received PhD. Okay. I will say this in Korean. Okay. 저는 그분이 학사 학위를 Hakviral. Hadattago. Ha. Hadattago. Kurosoi. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's another example. Third example. Third example. Customer says that no parts are available. Available. Okay. Okay. So how you will say in Korean? Same sentence. Go gek dari. Go gek dari. Bufumi. Bufumi optago. Optago heo. Heo. Okay. So now I will explain you again. Okay. With the okay. Okay. So what happened? Hmm. Basically, this is applies to phrase. Okay. Phrase, this pattern, this grammar pattern with phrase and verb. Okay. So this here is a disclaimer. If the quoted sentence is in a declarative form, okay, the quotation particle go is added after that sentence the ended with the. Okay. So let's say example, Mr. Kim is sad to be at home now. Okay. So here what will be Kim Son sang Nim Jigam now Jibe at home. Okay. Kesindag. Okay. Kesindago. Dago. Okay. Hamnida here. Dago. Okay. Kesida is to be. Okay. To be. Honorific form. Okay. Honorific form Kesida. So it is in past tense. So no is a past tense. Okay. No added for past tense. Kesindago. Okay. Hamnida. Okay. Okay. Second example. That was first example. This is second example. Okay. This was first example. Now second example. I heard that he had received PhD. Okay. So Jhanan I. Okay. Jhanan Kubuni. He. Kubuni. Okay. Paksa PhD. Paksa Hakwiral PhD. Okay. Paksa Hakwiral PhD. Hadattag. Hadattag. Received. Okay. Heard. Thurasai. Okay. Thurasai. Understood? Okay. Next. Third sentence. Third example. Customer says that no parts are available. Okay. So customers. Goge kidari. Parts. Bhumi. Okay. No. That no parts are available. So optago heyo. Optago. Optago heyo. Okay. I hope everyone understood this pattern, how to use this pattern. Okay. Dago. Today's pattern was Dago. Dago. Today's grammar pattern was Dago. Dago, advanced Korean grammar. Okay. So if you don't understand anything, you can just chat. You can message in the chat box. Okay, I will reply you separately. Okay, and very soon I will start teaching in Hindi as well, Hindi medium as well. Okay, so be patient with us. We'll start from basic classes, basic grammar, basic sentence structure. Okay, then we'll come to advanced. Okay, okay. I hope you guys enjoy the class. Okay, if you have any doubt and you have any questions, you can just ping me. I will reply you. Okay, we'll see you in the next class. 안녕히 계세요. 감사합니다. 다음 수업 만납시다.